Hi guys, this is CNC. As you can see, I'm Amogha from NME we are building a CNC machine here in this picture. Now as you can see, this is a CNC machine. CNC full form computer numerical control. This is basically a form of subtractive manufacturing here, and in 3D printers we use additive manufacturing, but in case of CNC we use subtractive manufacturing because objects are either drilled or welded or done something to remove the objects and give a shape to it. And you can see this is the CNC machine. A CNC machine basically consists of 3 stepper motors. This is the stepper motor for x-axis, this is the stepper motor for y-axis, and this is the stepper motor for z-axis. This here we use Arduino Uno, and this is referred to as shield, a motor shield, and it consists of connections for x-axis, y-axis and z-axis for stepper motors, and it has one for power supply. And this is the stepper motor, and as you can see, these are the ball bearings here, which prevents the rough movement and promotes the smooth movement of the CNC machine. And the CNC machine consists of one DC motor here at the back, which is used for drilling any object, and these are the substance which prevent which gives the alignment to axis, which is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is the power supply, and this is known as SMPS, which converts supply from one DC to AC or AC to DC. Switch mode power supply. This is the CNC. In this video, I am going to explain the working of CNC machine. So, in this, we have uploaded the code for the CNC, that is universal G code, which shows the moment of x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis, and in positive as well as negative direction. So, when I press the positive x-axis button, there the moment of positive z-axis is shown. This is the moment of negative x-axis. This is the moment of positive y-axis. This is the moment of positive y-axis, as well as this is the moment of negative y-axis. In this video, I am going to explain the working of CNC machine. So, in this, we have uploaded the code for the CNC, that is universal G code, which shows the moment of x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis, and in positive as well as negative direction. So, when I press the positive x-axis button, there the moment of positive z-axis is shown. This is the moment of negative x-axis. This is the moment of positive y-axis. This is the moment of positive y-axis, as well as this is the moment of negative y-axis.